Dahil may mga kumontra para umupo tayo as Congressman AXIS, nakaupo na ho tayo, na-resolve na ho kasi yan.
Yan yung dahilan. Bakit ho ganun halos sunod-sunod? Actually, dalawa lang naman.
Actually, sir, kulang pa ho yan. Ina-expect po natin madami-dami yan hanggang sa election day po yan. Yun nga ho siguro dahil nangunguna ho tayo ngayon sa mga surveys which pinasasalamat ko naman, pinasasalamat ko sa Panginoon Diyos. Pangalawa po doon sa mga tao po na
Pero again, mayroong nakitang butas ang COMELEC. Ang SISTE, the operating or standard operating procedure, kailangan mong bigyan ng kopya ng iyong complaint ang akusado. Pero hindi niya nabigyan ng kopya sa Erwin Tulfo, kaya ibinasura rin ito ng COMELEC. It's evident that the Tulfos will be a huge part of the 20th Congress, and people have been trying to disqualify their run in the Senate and House of Representatives. I mean, why are they mucking up their disqualification cases by either forgetting to include the COC of the Tulfos or the Tulfo candidates or not sending the concerned candidates their complaint? Kaya, again, binabasura ng COMELEC kasi standard operating procedure yun na dapat bibigay mo sa kanila yung COC ng mga kandidato na kino-complain mo or that they will be sent yung mga kino-complainan mo ng kanilang kopya ng complaint. Apparently, those are standard operating prerequisites, procedures to be followed. Pero bakit hindi nila magawa? Bakit hindi nila masiguro na their DQ case won't be judged against by a technicality? I mean, is this a psyop to legitimize the Tulfos and defeat any political dynasty accusations levied against them? For people to think na they've triumphed and was proven right by the COMELEC when in reality, it's all just technicalities. I mean, ang weird lang. And even if we remove political dynasties, other popular people and their cronies will just be replacing or will just be replaced by more padrino system. We need the voters to vote these dynasties out of power. Hindi natin pwede or kahit anong gawin natin. Unfortunately, it's not a great solution to just bar people from having choices. They have to know what is a great choice and what are not, and then choose the great choice. Choose the good choice instead of whatever bad choice we think is.